Okay, in this experiment, we will see how we can use JDBC, Java Development Connectivity, to integrate MySQL database server with our Java program. So by this following this experiment, we can edit, update, or create tables using the Java program, and it will be updated on the MySQL database. So before starting, let us see how we can use MySQL in the first place. So make sure you have MySQL installed. To do that, just search MySQL, go to the site, and you can download the latest version that is available. So I'll just come down here, MySQL community. I am using Windows, so MySQL for Windows, and you can just download it and install it by following through the instructions. Now, so to use the database, just here in apps, scroll down to MySQL. You will find the command line client. Open it. Here it will ask you to enter the password. So you need to enter the password that you had set up during the installation. So to know, first let us know some simple commands that are used in MySQL. One would be show databases. So what does this show databases do? It shows the databases that you have created till now in your MySQL server. So for this experiment, I will create a new database. So I'll just put create database. I'll just name it as student or something. Yes. Okay. Now to display it again, you can see that a new database called student has been created, right? So now what I need to do is I need to use this database. So under this databases, the tables will be created, isn't it? So I need to use the database. So I need to select the database. So for that I'll use student. So now whatever table I create, it will be created under this student database. Okay. So to just see if the table is empty or not, you can just write list tables. One moment. Yes, it's not list tables, show tables. Sorry for that. Okay, so it shows empty set. This means that there's nothing in the database. So now we have seen a few small examples of how you can use small basic commands, that is show database, and using the database and creating the database. Now what we need to do is we can start a new project, Java project. We can just give any name. I'll give JDBC. Finish. No. Okay. Here, I'll just create a new class Java class file. I'll just name it as JDBC demo. Right. Finish. Okay. Uh, yes. Here I'll just paste the command code here. Okay. Now let us try to understand this code a little bit. Okay, first JDBC demo. Yes, the class name is the same, right? Yes. Okay. Now, first thing you need to understand is we need to integrate the Java JDBC with our MySQL server, isn't it? So for that, we'll be using a thing called driver. Okay. So first we need to import java.sql. Okay. Next, we need to import the driver. Okay. So the driver will be imported by com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Okay. Now, to actually know which database to use, which like server to be using, okay, we need to do JDBC colon MySQL localhost. Then the number would be 3306. This will be default for all the systems which you use. Now, this should be the database name. Here, what did I create? I created student, right? I created the student database. So I'll write student over here. So I'll just write student. Okay. It can be anything. If I put something like create database for something name like student123 or stud123, I'll be writing the same over here as well. Okay, root will be the same user, will be the default user, and the password should be the password that you had set for your MySQL. So in this case I've just set QWER, I'll use that. Okay, so if you have done this much, it means that you have successfully connected the database as of now. Okay, now this the next step you need to do is you need to install a you need to use a build path. You need to use the build path, and wait, I'll just show it to you here. You need to search for the Java MySQL connector. So MySQL connector jar file. Okay, so what this connector does is it actually connects the, it says by the name itself, right? It connects the database with our Java file. So I'll go to archives. Operating system I'll be selecting as platform independent, and I'll be downloading this zip file. Okay, as I've already downloaded over here, I'll just open it. Yes, MySQL connector. So what you need to do is you need to extract this file. I'll just extract it over here. Okay, now yes, it's over here. See, as you can see, there's a jar file over here, right? So I need to integrate it into my Java file. So how do you do that? You just need to right click on the Java file, .java file, go to build path, configure build path, then go to libraries, module path, click on module path, add external jars, right? Click on that. Go to the location where you had extracted the Java jar file. So MySQL connector, MySQL connector.jar, and open it. Click on apply, then apply and close. Now we have successfully connected the JDBC with our MySQL server, right? So now I can actually execute this, start executing this command. Let me just do some small changes over here. Just right. Okay. So what is this Java file doing? What it is doing is it is first creating a table named student with roll number, name, and city. Next, it is displaying that the table has been created properly. Next, it is asking me, the user, as you have inputted the scanner class, as name, city, and the roll number, right? So we have to enter, the user should enter all of this. So I'll just run it right now. Okay. So this error will be coming when you don't use, basically this driver over here, this driver which we are using, com.jdbc, mysql.jdbc driver, this is actually depreciated. So we need to use CJ for that, but it wouldn't matter to your program much, so that's not an issue. So here it's asking for student, roll number, name, and city, right? So the student roll number I'll just keep as 62. Name I'll just put Yashwant, and city, just add something. See, now one row has been created successfully. It is showing this. Okay, so now I need to know if it has been updated on my database as well. To check that, I'll just go to my MySQL command prompt and type select star from student. So as you can see, the roll number has been created, name and city also has been displayed. So if you get this output, this indicates that your JDBC has been successfully configured with MySQL. Thank you.